Yo, what's up, guys? It's been a while since we uploaded a video since crashing the Cadillac, so we're trying to recover from that. But a couple of days ago, I sold the Audi and I copped a new car, so I'm about to surprise my brother with a new whip. He doesn't know yet. It's his birthday, so it's gonna be crazy. It's his dream car. So watch the video. I'm just getting the car washed, and the guy's not ready. Make sure it looks good. He's gonna be shook. Damn, these tints are sick. They're like 5%, I think. Mad dark. But the car's looking clean, man. Yeah, and that's the pizzeria right there. I don't know if you can see here. I can't see it. So I'm gonna just go across the street and act like I parked the car around the corner. Or I'm gonna just go over there, maybe. So the car's right here. That's the pizzeria. And I'm gonna go this way and call him to come out. Yo, there he is, right there. He's right there, chilling, ready for shooting. Yo, you ready for to wrap the Audi?
What's up, man? Let's do it.
Yeah, nice pizza though.
Really good. You want a bite?
Nah, I'm good. Yeah, I parked around the corner right there.
Where?
Around the corner.
What's up, YouTube? We're about to wrap Audi.
Say what's up, say what's up.
You know, car is running perfect. So we're about to do some maintenance and stuff. So we're about to wrap it, and that's it. It's gonna be ready to go. So
Yeah, I parked over there.
Huh?
I parked over there.
Where?
I was just kidding. Right here. Right there. It's right there. Look, I'm opening it right now.
What?
What is that, bro?
What? What?
Yo, here's your key. Happy birthday, bro. What the fuck?
Open it again. Fuck out of here.
Yo, I'm telling you. Here, just take the key, bro. You want me to hold your pizza, bro? I'll hold your pizza.
Bro, no fucking way.
I'm dead ass.
I have to see registration. No fucking way, bro.
Check it.
No fucking way.
Open it, bro. Start it.
No fucking way. Bro, this is my dream car, bro.
White leather interior.
Yo, I don't believe this. Where's the paperwork?
It's in the.
Bro, I'm serious. I have to see the paperwork. I'm not gonna believe this.
It's right there, bro. It's right here.
No fucking way. No.
I'm for real, bro.
Fucking way. Fuck. Fuck. Fuck.
Yo, you wanted this car for so long, bro. Right here.
Man, I'm shaking. I'm fucking shaking. No way.
Start it.
Oh my god. Fuck. 80,000 miles? Bro, that's fucking nothing.
Yeah, bro.
No
It's a
way,
baby.
bro. How the fuck did you get this car? Where the fuck did you get this car?
Don't worry about that, bro. Hey,
God.
rev it.
Yo,
You
this
hear the
car's
sound, bro?
mad fucking clean, bro. Or you just watched it, or what the fuck, man? This car looks
AMG.
mad fucking nice.
Of course I watched it. It's clean, man. For pizza.
Fuck, man. This goes on. Fuck.
Rev it. Let's hear it.
Oh, I'm gonna go
That's
crazy.
6.2
Yo.
liter. C63 AMG, bro. That's what you wanted.
No fucking way, bro.
Let's go.
One second.
Alright.
Man. 8,000 miles? Bro, okay, I don't know what the fuck to say. How did you find this car? Where did you find it?
Don't worry about it, bro. Just know you got it.
All the crazy shit. God, I love this car, bro.
18-inch AMGs. Right here.
Oh, get the fuck out of
Clean
here.
as fuck. Dude, the plate just fell. Yo, it was right here, but it fell down. I don't know why. But it looks cool. Like that, so. Yo, let's go take it for a spin, bro.
This car is mad nice. I can't believe this. I don't think this is my car. No way.
Let's take it for a spin.
This is crazy. Hold on 1 second. We're not going anywhere.
Yo.
God, bro.
Stop sign, bro.
Fuck. Stop sign. Fuck.
Damn.
Fuck, man.
Chill out,
I
bro.
fucking
Go
love
left,
this
go
car,
left.
bro. Left? I
Yeah.
fucking love this car. Oh my god,
Fuck.
somebody's coming up.
Yo.
What the fuck are you doing, bro? Why are you backing up on a fucking one-way fucking street?
Fuck is good with this guy?
Wow. Bro,
Yo,
the
that
response
sound?
time and fucking
That sound though?
damn. Yo, I'm fucking gonna be racing with everybody right now. What the fuck, man? Let me go fucking slow here. Should I make a right?
Go straight.
No, I'll make a right. Why? This guy's backing up too? What the fuck are you?
No. What the
Bro.
fuck? Bro, I don't want you to go fast, bro.
Fuck.
Yo, Dunkin' Donuts. And we gotta go do
Yo,
some donuts
I'm about
right
to-
after, bro.
I'm about to, yeah,
Let's
that
go.
ass, bro.
Every time I call, I'm a pistol to my head. They wonder if I'm hellbound. Can't be worse than this, cause I'm in hell now. Pistol to my head. Pistol to my head. I put the pistol to my head. I put the pistol to my head. When I'm done with the money, I'm losing my mind. The death is down on my time and my mental blood. Falling the pieces in my guilt. I pray to the Lord for the applause, for the fortune, because he did. Yo, me and lyrics, I'm hopeless. Joking on marijuana, smoking with every focus. I can see the focus. Falling the shit while I'm in service. When will I die? Forever paranoid, nervous, because of I. Yo, make me feel it was stressing and going nutty. And reminiscing my remembrance that murdered my buddy. I wonder when will I be happy? Ain't nothing funny. Last packs and busting caps, anything for money. Where am I going? I discovered. Can't have to save them. My next door neighbors having convo with undercovers. Put a surprise on the mailbox. Oh, she did it. Happy birthday, B. You know you shouldn't have did it. Everybody dying on my back. My head reincarnated as a match. Just between my head. Cause in heaven there's no shortage on G's. I put the pistol to my head. Stay happy for the caller. Pistol to my head. Every time I call her.
On the last drift, there was like sparks going off. That's why.
You guys can see the strings are coming out.
¿Sabe la gente, amigo? No es que se va a buscar la familia. Ya, por allá no llega, pero no tiene grande, güey. Ah, por allá no llega, güey. ¿Sí? ¿Lo pasamos por otro lado?